Deflated dreams my attic holds, blue sky asleep inside a casket, traces of a fire's coals, my hot air balloon and basket. I'm chained in town and growing sick from dreams I've had. My plans been drawn, a schooling house in anchored brick. My airship leaves just after dawn. The buildings fell away beneath. The fire breathed a thankful sigh. The houses seemed like rooted teeth below the milky morning sky. I made it happen in my head, just hopeful illusions of grandeur. Those promises that once God said now dissipate into empty air. My new perspective on the sky almost makes this world seem kind. I know that I was meant to fly. It's just the way I was designed. The clouds silhouetted in bronze. I'm glad they joined me on my way. I've always envied vagabonds for the ease with which they stray. Deflated dreams my attic holds, blue skies asleep inside a casket, traces of a fire's coals, my heart